Hello students, so next is the question number 6 of your exercise number 2. A sofa set cost rupees 8,593 and paise 5 and a dining table cost rupees 6,789 and paise 75. So which is costlier and by how much? So there are two items. The first is sofa set and the second one is dining table and their cost price is given here. So the cost of sofa set is rupees 8,593 and 5 पैसे. मतलब एक सोफा सेट की कॉस्ट रुपीस कितनी है 8,593 एंड 5 पैसे और एक डाइनिंग टेबल की कॉस्ट रुपीस 6,789 एंड 75 पैसे. तो इन्होंने पूछा विच वन इज कॉस्टलियर. कॉस्टलियर मींस कौन सी आइटम ज़्यादा महंगी है, ठीक है, एंड बाय हाउ मच और कितनी ज़्यादा महंगी है. बाय हाउ मच का मतलब कितनी ज़्यादा. सो you can clearly see here which cost price is more, 8,000 something or 6,000 something. It is clear 8,000 is more than 6,000. Alright, so it means the sofa set is costlier than dining table. And by how much और कितनी ज़्यादा कॉस्ट है उसकी, तो उसके लिए क्या करोगे आप, इनको माइनस करोगे, इनके अमाउंट को माइनस करोगे. Clear students? So you will subtract the amount of dining table from the cost of sofa set. So first write here sofa set is costlier than dining table. Now subtract the amount. So write here first rupees and one column for paise. So what is the cost of sofa set? Rupees 8,593 and 5 paise. So you can see here 5 paise. 5 is only a single digit number, but we know that in paisa column there are always 2 digits. So you will write here 05. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो पैसे के कॉलम होते हैं वहाँ पर हमेशा 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं. ठीक है, अब यहाँ लिखोगे 05. It represents a 5 paise. Now the cost of dining table is rupees 6,789 rupees and how many paise? 75 paise. So write here 75. Now you will subtract this amount. So 5 minus 5, it is 0. This 0 will take 1 from 3. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 again take 1. 12 minus 9 is 3. 18 minus 8 is 10. So next is, sorry, this is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now 5 again to the bottom. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 180330. It means rupees 1,803 and 30 paise. ठीक है, मतलब जो सोफा सेट की कॉस्ट है इतनी अमाउंट ज़्यादा है किससे, डाइनिंग टेबल की कॉस्ट है. सो राइट हियर you can write the sofa set is costlier than dining table by rupees 1,803 and 30 paise. Clear student? So this is the question number 6. Now next is the question number 7. Rohan bought 4 chocolates each costing rupees 20 and 25 paise. 7 packs of biscuits cost rupees 25 and paise 75 each and 8 pack of potato chips each pack costing rupees 62 and 25 paise. So Rohan purchases 3 things. The first one is he purchased chocolates and its quantity are how much? 4. It means they buy 4 chocolates and the cost of one chocolate is rupees 20 and 25 paise. रोहन ने 4 चॉकलेट्स परचेज की और एक चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट आपको गिवन है. नेक्स्ट उसने परचेज की 7 पैक्स ऑफ बिस्किट. 7 पैकेट्स बिस्किट्स की परचेज की उसने और एक पैकेट की कॉस्ट कितनी, रुपीस 25 एंड 75 पैसे. रुपीस 25 एंड 75 पैसे. और लास्ट उसने परचेज की पोटैटो चिप्स और उसकी कितनी क्वांटिटी है, 8 पैकेट्स एंड ईच पैकेट कॉस्ट रुपीस 62 and 25 paise. So Rohan gives rupees 1,000 to the shopkeeper. तो रोहन ने तीनों के लिए शॉपकीपर को 1,000 रुपीज दी. So find the following. So there are total 5 parts in which we have to find here first A part cost of chocolates. In B part you will find the cost of biscuits. In C part you will find the cost of potato chips. Next, total cost for the purchase. Total means you have to add all these amounts for purchasing biscuits, cost and potato chips. And the last, money refunded to the Rohan. तो शॉपकीपर ने मतलब उसको कितने अमाउंट रिफंड की, कितनी मनी रिफंड की. So first we will find cost of chocolates. So what we have to do here, cost of one chocolate is given rupees 20 and 25 पैसे and he buys how many chocolates? 4 chocolates. तो आप यहाँ पर क्या करोगे, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. ठीक है, एक चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट को 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन चॉकलेट इज रुपीज 20 and you will buy 4 chocolates, so what is the total cost? Total cost is 20 into 4 which is equal to 80. So in the same way here cost of one chocolate is rupees 20 and 25 paise and he buys how many chocolates? 4 chocolates. So see here cost of one chocolate. Cost of one chocolate is rupees 20 and 25 paise. So next we will find the cost of how many chocolates? Total 4 chocolates. We will multiply the cost of each chocolate with 4. So what is the answer? So see here 4 5s are 20, right? 0 to carry. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, again 0, 1 is carry, 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 4 2s are 8. Now put your decimal point for 2 digits. So what is the answer? 81 rupees. So 81 rupees is the total cost of 4 chocolates. Now next in B part we will find the cost of biscuits. So cost of each packet is rupees how much? 25 rupees and 75 paise. And Rohan buys total how many packets of biscuits? 7 packs. So right here again cost of one pack of biscuit. Cost of one pack of biscuits. So it costs rupees how much? 25 rupees 75 paise. 25 rupees 75 paise. So we write here 25.75. Now find the cost of how many packets of biscuits? 7 packets. So 7 packs of rupees 25.75 into 7. You will multiply cost of each packet with 7. You will get the total cost of 7 packets. So see here 25.75 into 7. So multiply this 7 5s are 35. 3 carry 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. 5 carry 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 0 4 carry and 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. Now again go to decimal point. So what is the answer? 180.25. It means 180 rupees and 25 paise. So this is the cost of biscuits. Now next thing you will find the cost of potato chips. So again cost of one pack of chips. The cost of each packet of chips is rupees 62 and 25 paise. 62 rupees and 25 paise is the cost of one pack of chips. Now we will find the cost of how many packets? Rohan buy 8 packets. 8 packets of potato chips. 8 packs of chips. So again we will multiply the cost of each packet with the total number of packets, which is 8. So again multiply this 62.25 into 3. So 8 5s are 40. Right here 0 4 2s to carry. 8 to the 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. Again 0, 2 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. 1 carry, 8 6 is the 48, 48 plus 1, 49. We put the decimal point. So what is the answer? 498 rupees. It means 498 rupees is the cost of how many packets of chips? 8 packets of chips. Clear, students? So 81 rupees is the cost of chocolates, 180 rupees 25 paise is the cost of biscuits, and rupees 498 is the cost of chips. Now the next in D part you will find the total cost for purchase, total cost. So total उसमें कितनी cost तीनों के लिए दी. So you will add this 81, 180.25 and rupees 498. ठीक है? मतलब जो उसने तीनों आइटम परचेज किए उन तीनों की जो टोटल कॉस्ट है उन तीनों को आप ऐड करोगे. सो राइट हियर डी पार्ट टोटल कॉस्ट. सो राइट रुपीज, राइट हियर पैसे. सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 chocolates? टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 chocolates is rupees 81. And how many paise? 0 paise. Next is cost of 7 packets of biscuits. It is rupees 180. And how many paise? 25 paise. Right here 25. And the last is potato chips, and it cost rupees 498. 498. Again use no paise. Now you will find the total cost. So we have to add all these amounts. So first is 5. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So 2 goes to carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. It means the total cost for all the 3 items is rupees 759 and 25 paise. Now the last key part is money refunded to Rohan. So Rohan gives rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper, and the total cost for this item is rupees 759 and 25 paise. So how much money they will get back from the shopkeeper? So what we have to do here? We will do here subtraction. So we will subtract this total cost from the rupees 1000. So see here. So in B part you will find your money refunded, or you can write your money get backs. Money gets back from the shopkeeper. So Rohan gives how many rupees to the shopkeeper? Rupees 1000, and the total cost for all the items is rupees how much? 759 and 25 paise. So now subtract this. So 5 is greater than 0, so this will take all from this one. So it becomes 0. This is 9, 9, 9, 9 and 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So what is the answer? Rupees 240 and 75 paise. ठीक है, मतलब रोहन को शॉपकीपर से इतनी अमाउंट वापस मिले. Dear students, so this is the question number 7 of exercise number 2. Thank you.